Hello, what's your name?
My name is Minh Quân.
Okay. Minh Quân, how are you today?
I'm happy.
You happy? And today we're gonna have a test about fat man. Minh Quân, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So we have 4 parts and we move to the first one. I will ask you some questions about yourself. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, Minh Quân, how old are you? How old are you, Minh Quân? You 6 years old or you 7 years old?
I'm 7 years old.
Are you 7 years old? Where do you live? Minh Quân, where do you live?
I live in Hanoi.
You live in Hanoi, right? So what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
Favorite color red.
It's red. So do you like reading book? Minh Quân, do you like reading book?
English.
Yes or no? Con thích đọc sách không? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So can you tell me what is the name of the book do you like the most? Con thích sách nào nhất nhỉ?
English.
The name of the book. The name. Can you tell me the
book
name?
Is English.
English, okay. The name of the book is English, right? Okay, so we move to the next part and I will show you a paragraph on the screen and you need to read it out loud. Minh Quân, go. Minh Quân, go.
There is a fat man. His name is Tony. He is very fat. He weighs 500 pounds. When he walks, he always gets tired. The fat man wants to lose weight. In fact, his doctor tells him, "You must to lose weight, or you will die."
You must lose weight or you will die. Very good. And we move to the next part. It's mini story. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. There is a fat man. His name is Tony.
Oh.
Is there a dog?
No.
No. Is that the elephant?
No.
No. Is there a fat man?
Yes.
Yes. Who is there?
Fat man.
A fat man, right? So the fat man wants to lose weight.
Oh.
Does Minh Quân want to lose weight? No. No, who wants to lose weight?
Tony.
Tony, right? So what does Tony want to do? What does Tony want to do? He wants to
lose weight.
Lose weight, right? So does Tony weigh 10 pounds?
No.
No. So how many pounds does Tony weigh?
500 pounds.
500 pounds, right? Who weighs 500 pounds?
Tony.
Tony, very good. So we move to the last part. I'm gonna describe the accent and you can guess what is the word or sentence. Minh Quân, are you ready? Yes, okay. So the first one.
Fat man.
Fat man, okay. So
Die.
die, very good. And the next one is
lose weight.
very good. Okay, so we have the full sentence.
He's very fat.
Okay, very good. And one more. One more time. The fat man
The fat man very
wants to
lose weight.
Very good. So this is the end of the test. Minh Quân, your point is 99.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Minh Quân, very